Hi, my name is Audrey, and I am a certified yoga teacher specializing in yoga for children and inner children, the traumatized inner child. And I developed the yoga, mindfulness, and meditation training for childcare professionals with some other amazing teachers, including Benjamin Hart and Jillian Brandt. The idea behind the yoga, mindfulness, and meditation training for childcare professionals was to give non-yoga teachers some tools and skills to use with the children. Mindfulness has been proven to increase emotional stability, yoga, flexibility, both emotional and physical, and meditation, calmness. This gives some new ideas for play for the child carers with the children without them having to have completed a yoga teacher training.
Child development training is mostly aimed at understanding the kid's psychology, understanding the process of their development, the different spheres. The idea is for the student to have like a general understanding not only of how the kid's mind is going to work, but also understanding how their own childhood influence who they are now, so they can understand better the kids that are working with them.
In our training about Introduction to Plant-Based, we learn about all the difference between vegan and plant-based. We also learn how to cook amazing and delicious food from all over the world, such as Mexican food, French food, and amazing foods actually from all our students that we adapt to a plant-based diet.